Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today I have a box. Now this box comes from OnePlus. No, this is obviously not what it originally came in. It actually came in a little sleeve sort of envelope thing, but that was thrown away because I was out of town. Either way, let's get started on the unboxing. So the packing is pretty simple. It just has a few packing peanuts, the phone, and a packing list. I like how on the back it tells you a little bit of information, gives you some support websites, some support channels, and other stuff like that. It's pretty nice that they do that. And here is the OnePlus 6T. So on the front it says OnePlus Community, a collective of individuals. You just want to get into the phone. So let's do that. So I'm going to cut this open. I want to make sure not to cut this little OnePlus thing, and we'll slide it up. Okay, I can't figure out. Okay, there we go. It's interesting on the front, it just says 6. It doesn't say like 6T or anything. So let's open it up. And there's the phone. The front has like a little fingerprint thing that I guess you have to remove. And on the back, I already got my fingerprints on there, but let's cover this up for a second. You know what? Let's put this to the side. Let's see what else is in the box. So let's lift this thing out. And try and take whatever this is. What is this? Is that a case? Okay, let's try and take that out. Alright, got the case out, and it has some paperwork in there as well. It's pretty interesting. I do remember my OnePlus X actually came with a case, so it's cool that they still do that. Alright, so in this thing we have a SIM card ejector. We have safety information, which pretty much says be careful with your phone, I guess. I don't know. I didn't read it. And then we have this little fold-out poster-looking thing. Unlock the speed. Oh, and it also tells you all the information on your phone, like what the power button does, volume buttons, all these other stuff. That's pretty cool. The alert slider, where the fingerprint scanner is. I'm just gonna fold this up and put it to the side. And these look like stickers, I guess. Yeah, they're stickers. I don't know where you would put them, but I guess it's kind of like what Apple does. And this thing, it says invitation letter. A word from Pete, OnePlus CEO. Alright, so this is like a little cutout thing, so let's open this. Alright, I'm going to be a terrible person. You can pause if you want to and read this. But pretty much Pete is glad that the OnePlus 6T is being released, especially after 5 years of operating. So it's pretty crazy. They've been out for 5 years. Alright, let's move on. This is a huge charger. This is way bigger than what Apple gives you. I believe it's a 20-watt charger, the Dash charge. Or I don't know if they could still use Dash, but either way. This looks like it's a USB to a USB-C plug. It's pretty interesting they're still using that. It's not USB-C and USB-C. And here is the headset jack adapter because the iPhone... And here is the headset jack adapter because yes, this phone does not have a headset jack, which is unfortunate. Alright, let's put everything back in here nice and neat, and we can get to the phone. Okay, this phone looks really nice. Let's try and power it on. Okay, am I clicking the right button? Okay, yeah, I don't know what was happening, but alright, let's take this thing off. Wait, we gotta get the perfect sound. Okay, there we go. This is a nice little boot animation. On the back it tells you about where the NFC antenna is and how the SIM cards go. So, alright. As usual, let's skip through all of this and set this up later, because I will be adding all my stuff back in. And here's the phone. Looks pretty nice. Pretty basic setup, not a lot of stuff on here, which is not a bad thing. Let's go into the settings. We can see I have the 256GB version. And let's go through here and see how the fingerprint is. So let's set up my PIN, continue through this, yes, whatever. Alright. Huh. So it kind of lights up green. I'm kind of covering it right now, but you can kind of see that it lights up green on the screen. So let's try and put it in the edges. This is definitely an interesting thing. It's almost like not as accurate. It's kind of difficult to set up, so wow, that was pretty fast. But yeah, that's about it. We'll talk more about this phone in the review, which should be coming out sometime next week. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or on Twitter at MattofRWR. And feel free to follow me on the social media listed above. Also subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this, and you can see other review videos for other phones. Also hit that bell button so then YouTube will remind you when the review videos do come out. Thanks for watching.